to Bo Denson Towing Incorporated, serving the Senatobia area since 1975. Bo Denson Towing Incorporated can handle towing, recovery towing, roadside assistance, jump starts, tire changes, mobile truck, and semi-truck repairs. If you're in need of a tow or roadside assistance, call now. We offer 24-hour roadside assistance and towing for all makes and models. At Bo Denson Towing Incorporated, we make it a point to make tough moments better with speedy service, friendly drivers and mechanics, and all-around great customer service. We look forward to helping you with your towing, recovery, or transportation needs. Call Bo Denson Towing Incorporated today if you need any towing services or to get assistance fast.